Hello everyone. Today I'm excited to introduce tennis-api.com, a platform built to power the future of tennis data. If you've ever built a tennis website, betting platform, analytics tool, mobile app, prediction model, or sports media product, you've probably encountered the same challenge. Finding reliable tennis data is difficult. Live scores come from one source, rankings come from another. Player statistics are often fragmented. Historical results can be inconsistent, and advanced analytics usually require significant development work. We believed there had to be a better way, so we built tennis-api.com. Our goal is simple: to become the most comprehensive tennis data platform in the world, a platform that gives developers, businesses, analysts, and fans access to the information they need through a single modern API. Today, tennis-api.com delivers live ATP, WTA, and ITF scores, player rankings, player profiles, historical match results, tournament information, head-to-head statistics, performance metrics, live match tracking, and advanced data that can be used to create prediction models and analytical tools. But what makes this exciting isn't just the data, it's what can be built with it. Imagine creating a live score website, a prediction platform, a betting model, a fantasy sports application, a mobile app, a media website, or entirely new tennis products that haven't been imagined yet. Tennis-api.com provides the foundation. Let's look at one of the most powerful examples: head-to-head analysis. For tennis fans, head-to-head statistics are one of the most valuable ways to evaluate a matchup. Who won previous meetings? Which player performs better on clay? Who has stronger recent form? How do they perform under pressure? What trends emerge from historical results? These insights help fans, analysts, and bettors understand matches before they begin. Using tennis-api.com, this information can be accessed instantly through simple API requests. Developers can build rich comparison experiences, prediction engines, and analytical dashboards without spending years collecting and organizing tennis data. You can already see examples of these experiences across the tennis ecosystem. Platforms like Matchstat provide detailed live score tracking, player comparisons, and head-to-head analysis. Steve G Tennis has become a trusted destination for rankings, statistics, and tennis predictions. These platforms demonstrate the growing demand for tennis intelligence. Our vision is to provide the infrastructure that powers the next generation of tennis applications. Behind every live score page, behind every ranking system, behind every prediction model, behind every head-to-head comparison, there is data, and we want to provide that data through a reliable, developer-friendly platform. Getting started is simple. Create an account, generate an API key, review the documentation, connect to the endpoints you need, and begin building. Within minutes, you can access live scores, rankings, player information, historical results, and head-to-head data. We believe tennis is entering a new era. Fans want deeper insights. Businesses want richer experiences. Developers want better tools, and data will be at the center of everything. This is only the beginning. For tennis-api.com, we'll continue expanding our datasets, analytics capabilities, prediction tools, and developer resources. Our mission is to become the definitive tennis intelligence platform. Whether you're building a startup, a sportsbook, a media company, an analytics platform, or simply exploring tennis data, we'd love to have you join us. Visit tennis-api.com and start building today. Thank you for watching.